Friday Writing Inspiration. Yes, I am celebrating that this is the end of 3 years of doing the Friday Writing Challenge, and next Friday, after this one, will be the beginning of the 4th year of doing Friday Writing videos for your inspiration. I'm toying between calling it Friday Writing Inspiration, FWI, or Friday Inspiration Boost, which is an acronym with FIB, and we don't fib in our writing, no. But I'm going to tell you that you're going to see probably a lot of this book, Trauma as Medicine, a do-it-yourself guide for healing trauma and transforming your life by Sarah Salter Kelly. There will be a link in the comments on the video for how you can purchase her book because she's brilliant. She really knows what she's talking about. You are not what has happened to you, and neither are the characters in your fiction. Whether you're writing fiction or memoir, looking at the modes and the mindsets of victim and victimizer can be a really rich place to start on the page. I know that I spent years with a victim mindset, and not until I dropped that victim mindset, validated the things that happened in the past, and stepped into a place of accountability, did I also find that I was able to step into my zone of genius. Sarah writes here, there is a vast difference between being victimized and living life as a victim. Once we validate that inner victim, our unconscious energy is no longer spent seeking evidence to validate our pain. Paraphrasing here, we already know our pain and feel our feelings and attend to what shows up for us. That is the important part of letting go of any victim mindset. And this works well for your fictional characters because a lot of fiction is about that journey, that arc, that thing that bad things happen, then good things happen, and then because the good things, according to Kurt Vonnegut, can be boring. But it never has to go that deep again. When we have something good and we might fall down again, it doesn't have to go as bad as what it once was. We constantly are doing the work of healing and becoming more aware. So make your characters aware, show what really has happened in your memoir, and